Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to set up automatic autosave intervals in Adobe Photoshop on Windows to permanently prevent data loss. This system tweak forces Adobe Photoshop to silently save your progress in the background, so a sudden crash or power cut never ruins your work. First, open Photoshop. Click the Edit menu located at the absolute top left corner of the interface layout. Scroll near the bottom of the drop-down choices, hover over Preferences, and click File Handling from the side menu. Look at the top section of the Preferences window, block labeled File Saving Options. Locate the checkbox explicitly labeled Automatically Save Recovery Information Every. Ensure this box is checked to enable background backup rules. Next, click the adjacent duration drop-down menu, which defaults to 10 minutes. Change this setting to 5 minutes to lock in maximum data safety. Now, look directly below and check the box explicitly labeled Save in Background. This ensures the 5-minute autosave engine won't interrupt your current tool strokes or freeze your cursor while working. Finally, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Layout panel and click the OK button to instantly activate your new data protection rules. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.